We had a dishwasher leak on us. It was a slow leak.
First time I met with Jeremy, we wanted to make sure that we worked on their behalf, that they were covered and that we put back their house correctly, and had the conversation on what their insurance company was initially telling them.
And he said, that's way too low. You come with us, I'll fight for you to get you more money from the insurance company. And he did.
My experience is that your first initial offer from the insurance company is going to be 20 to 25% of what actually should be covered.
Because it didn't seem like anybody else was willing to put that extra work in. The whole floor had to be tore up to get to the areas that were damaged. We wanted to blow out that wall. Everybody talked open concept, so we wanted to explore what our options were, and we didn't know how to utilize this space. So basically the old kitchen, the wall would have been right about here. The stove, other cabinetry would have been in this area. We had like a half wall here with an old weird desk with some cabinets behind there. The sink was here, and instead of just taking it out, we kept the sink here and added a second one. That helps when we do have parties. We can have multiple things going on with the two sinks. There was like a tunnel to come through here to go into the dining room, which was knocked out. This house it's a go-to. All the family members come here, so by opening it up, it seems like everybody's together now. Every Wednesday we have family day, so we have people sitting here, people sitting there. It just opened it up, and it makes it very cozy for the family. Our concern was our neighbors who recommended you guys. They're in an area of Blaine that's a little more pricier than our area. We didn't think we could afford this. Working with Murphy Brothers, they gave us, one, they got us more money from the insurance company, and they definitely worked around our budget to make what we needed happen.